Okay, welcome to another Dirty Bikers Feast. Today we're on Juan Tabo in Albuquerque, New Mexico at Philly Steaks place. Used to come here a long time ago. Really good. Probably the best Philly in Albuquerque. But that was a year ago, so let's see what happens. I've got the large here, $14. With a couple of sides of whiz just for shits and giggles. And let's check it out. Okay. You can see the bread's pretty soft there. Good tasting bread. Plenty of goodies inside. Pretty good blended cheese. So far so good. I'm a bit of a cheese freak, so 81 cents you can get a 4-ounce cheese whiz, and so I got two. Little dippy dip. Good stuff.
Alright, so I got the 6-inch with onions, peppers, and mushrooms. The toppings or add-ons were good. It's not what it was before, but it's still a really good cheesesteak. I think that all the businesses these days are really being hit hard with the increases in salaries and just the increase of goods. What they're paying for the food that they're serving us. I wish there had been a little bit more meat in there, but it wasn't. So I still love it. I think it's still a good cheesesteak here in the Albuquerque area. I'd rate this one probably an 8 out of 10.